Hello viewers, welcome back to LeadFlex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your agency favicon and I will guide you step by step. So let's dive into video and I will guide you. So first of all, you need to log in your any sub account. So I have one sub account, I'm going to log in it, and after that you need to go to storage and you need to upload your favicon here. And after the upload, you can just copy the link of this icon. We will utilize this link later in this video. Just copy this link. So what you need to do next, you need to move back in agency account, and after that you need to go to setting, and after that you need to click on a company setting, and in company setting you need to scroll below and you need to check there is a 2 code area where we can put our custom code. So right now I'm going to use here JavaScript custom code. So I already copied the code and here you see I just post my JavaScript code. What you need to do, you remember I just copy the link of image. So you need to replace this image link, and after that you need to just save it and proceed it. And I'm just going to refresh it, and here you can see it will be changed here. So yeah, it's boom, the favicon is changed here. So if you need any GoHighLevel related services or you want to change this and any GoHighLevel like funnel design, whatever you want to do, just go to LeadFlex and book your free 30 minutes consultation. I will guide you how you can configure your GoHighLevel and how you can get maximum results from this GoHighLevel. So thank you so much for watching video, and I can also provide the code in video description later so you can get code there. Thank you so much for watching this video.